Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two popular products in the coffee industry. If you're a coffee lover, this video is for you. So let's jump right into the comparison. Both products are designed to enhance your coffee experience. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter is specifically compatible with all Bialetti 3-cup stovetop coffee and espresso makers. On the other hand, the FCUS Stovetop Espresso maker can be used on a variety of stoves, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and halogen stoves. This gives you more flexibility in choosing your preferred stove type. When it comes to material, the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter is made from white rubber and stainless steel. It offers a reliable and durable option. However, the FCUS Stovetop Espresso maker is built with food-grade stainless steel. This ensures resistance to dirt, wear, and corrosion. It also provides a tasteless and rot-resistant experience, giving you that authentic Italian flavor. If you're looking for a larger capacity, the FCUS Stovetop Espresso maker comes in a 12-cup, 600 milliliters option. This allows you to brew more espresso, giving you a bold and aromatic cup of coffee. On the other hand, the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter does not affect the capacity of your existing Bialetti stovetop coffee and espresso makers. Let's talk about the working principle of these products. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter uses a traditional system where you heat the water in the pot to create steam. The steam then rises through the filter box filled with coffee powder, extracting the essence of the coffee into the upper pot. Similarly, the FCUS Stovetop Espresso maker follows the same principle. Both products provide that classic Moka pot experience. Now, let's discuss the price. The FCUS Stovetop Espresso maker is priced at $49 USD. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a specific price for the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter. Keep in mind, prices may vary, so it's recommended to check the latest prices before making your purchase. That wraps up our comparison between these two fantastic coffee accessories. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting coffee-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.